My name's Jeff Kolf, and I live in Draper. We've been here for 25 years. ES Solar helped me out with the battery, utilizing the battery to help even further lower my costs and also protect myself in case of outages and any spikes or issues with electricity here. Just heard about the Rocky Mountain Power incentives for batteries. So we talked a little bit, got some rough numbers, decided to go ahead and go forward with the system. Solar Edge app, it'll look at what sort of demand I have, what sort of generation I have on my panels, and what my battery levels are at. And it's actually helped me kind of manage my energy usage by kind of watching and seeing what happens when the dryer's on and the oven's on and those types of things, in addition to the AC units. And also watching how after the sun goes down and I'm not producing anymore, how long my battery is actually then providing that buffer before I'm pulling from the grid. Solar is definitely extremely helpful. You know, I've gone from, triple-digit electric bills to even last July, my last bill was $26.